News from Singapore, it's May 25th. Today's topic is how institutional investors move. Yesterday, SGX released institutional investors net buy net sell data. This video shared their movement in 3 minutes. Last week, institutional investors net buy around 300 million. Recently, they keep buying, except that during the week of May 3rd, they bought, especially the financial service segment, 6 consecutive weeks, but they saw the REITs 9 consecutive weeks. These two segments, I think interest ratio rise, also inflation may be involved. Obviously, this portion is the borrowing cost is going up unless it's justifying their growth factors. They are not going in the good position. Banking segment is interest up, yield curve widen and the back margin expanding. They can also start share buyback and may reduce their previous books impairment. They can do many things at this stage. Here is a Singapore government bond yield, the 10-year bond yield 1.5% now, 61 basis point up year to date. 2-year one is a 10 basis point up only. So this difference is 51 basis point yield curve. If this is widen, is a bank margin going up. Here's the top 10 institutional net buy. DBS is a king among the institutional net buy. Is last week more than 100 million, 2 weeks 200 million. SIA after selling the 4 consecutive weeks, finally institutional net buy 40 million. Probably all bad news out is a net loss release. Also another convertible bond launch. Also UOB actually downgraded sell last month. Their target price of 4.4. Now price came off to around 4.7. Maybe that's why this may be the time to enter. OCBC earning excellent share buyback. Last week is only last week 23 million share buyback on this. CapitaLand, Singtel, SPH is a restructuring strategy review one. SGX, CIMB raised the target price 11.6. They also said SGX is a layer beneficiary of the second mini circuit breaker. Also, new global carbon exchange news came in this week. Here the institutional favorite stock in 2021 year to date: Yanjian, UMS, Ranking, iFirst, Food Empire, Alalogos, growth stock. I'm a Alalogos fan, and SPH also Semcorp is a strategic one. Here's the top 10 institutional net sell. Ascendance, they recently very aggressively acquire a lot, especially data center. But question is whether they acquire the right price or not, expensive or not. So 4 consecutive weeks the net sell. I myself saw the Ascendance a couple of weeks ago. And the time average out of the 5 weeks, 4 weeks the net sell is after their bigger segment IPO suspended. Price came off to the 70 cent. I think 70 cents is a resistance level, is a time to enter. Why they are still a net sell is maybe Thailand, Vietnam, COVID. These two market is a type average core market. COVID surge now. Thanks for your company. Have a good deal and a good day.